My company building needs roofing work urgently. If this gets worse, it could affect my whole business. I don't even know which company to trust. Who will give the best commercial roofing service? My building roof needs work, but I don't know who's reliable.
You should contact Guns & Sons Contracting. They specialize in commercial roofing.
Really? I'll reach out to them today. Hi, I need commercial roofing services for my building.
We'll inspect your roof and provide the best solution.
That's exactly what I need. We're assessing the structure and materials carefully.
Our team will ensure durability and long-term protection.
They look experienced and organized. We use high-quality materials for maximum durability. This is exactly the professionalism I was hoping for. This looks amazing. Now my business is fully protected.
We're happy we could deliver exactly what you needed.
I truly appreciate your hard work and professionalism. For reliable commercial roofing services, trust Guns & Sons Contracting.